Good evening. So this is the quick unboxing of the new iPhone 16 Pro Max in titanium black. As you can see, we just got this from Apple today. Picked this up at Apple, and my wife's going to go ahead and open up her new phone. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the 512 gig version. As you can see on the outside, just a nice regular standard box. Okay, put that around. And then there on the back, information there. And then you got this, so she's going to go ahead and start and put out those two. So we're going to look inside. This is a quick unboxing. There's the first one. There's the second one. There we go. Time. There it is. iPhone 16 Pro Max in black titanium. So as you can see, there it is. iPhone 16 Pro Max in black, titanium black. Flip it around. We're ready. Put that to the side right there. There's the new action button, as well as the side buttons. Going for the first peel. There we go. Beautiful. That has the bigger 6.9 screen. We're going to show you in a minute the difference. In the box, we still just have the standard This is now the USB-C. You have regular books and regular information, iPhone information. Open it up. Okay. Just see the information there. Let's see. There's nothing else in the box. Nope. Put that to the side. And then underneath, on the cover, it should be. We flip that over. Is there anything there? Should be. Nope. No SIM injection tube, because these, as everybody knows, iPhones now are with the eSIM. So no SIM injection tube. Some information. So we'll put this information back in the box. For safekeeping. Go ahead and close that box up. Take the phone off. And put that to the side for now. Okay. Now go ahead and second. Go ahead and move this to the side for right now. Put that right there. You have the .9 view screen. Some things in comparison. Let's see here. You have my wife's previous iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you can see, there's obviously a size difference between these two. And comparing the editions. So as you can see, you have now you have the running rocker right here. You have the new capacitive touch sensor right there, where the old antenna would be right there. Let's see here. Going around the back, still the same. Bring it around on the sides. Instead of on the iPhone 14, you had the old slider. Now you have the action button. She has the action button right here. Let me show you that. For the iPhone 14 Pro Max, you had that slider. Now you have the action button here, which can do the same function. So you can add function with this new action button. And then of course you have the volume rocker up and down. I'll give you the camera specs in a minute. And then on the top, everything's the same. But on the bottom, on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, she had the Lightning, and now this is of course USB-C. Much better improvement. Now we'll have to buy twice as many cables. Let's go ahead and do a weight comparison. So I got the trusty scale right here. Let me power that up. Okay, this is in grams. So let me slide this right here. Write this out in grams. Make sure I can see. Put that up there. Okay, so the iPhone 16 Pro Max is weighing in at 227 grams.
Salt that down here.
Let's see how much the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the old one, weighed for. That is 251 grams. Quite a bit of difference in weight. Much lighter. Okay, take that away. This right here. Let's go over a couple of specs. This one, like I said, is the 512 gigabyte version. It has a Super Retina XDR display. It has the 2868 by 1320 pixel resolution, or the 460 PPIs. Of course, it still has the dynamic island and always on display. So that the ProMotion technology. So that's the difference between the 16s and the 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max, is that the iPhone 16s don't have the ProMotion, which is, so they run at they run at this standard 60 hertz, but the iPhone 16 Pro Maxes have, with that ProMotion, they have the 120 hertz refresh rate, which makes for a much better resolution. You got the HDR display, of course, True Tone, and then of course the haptic touch I was talking about before. This is, of course, dust and water resistant, IP68. It has a new A18 Pro chip in it. What else? Let's talk about the Let's flip it over. Talk about the cameras. So, camera setup. We have a 48, and a 12 megapixel. You have a 48 megapixel. That's the Fusion. That is for better focus, of course, 100% focus pixels. And then you have the 48 megapixel ultra wide, and that the 12 megapixel is a 5x zoom telephoto optical. So it's fine. That's good. That's good. What else we have? Anything else? Let's see here. We have that. Move this up here. Let you get a good look at it. So the only thing now is to go ahead and power this up. So I'm going to let my wife go ahead and power this up, and then put her information into it, and we'll return once the information while it's loading. But let's go ahead and get that first startup for her. This here like that. Yeah, that's better. Lights is getting in our way. Okay, that works. Go ahead and just start it. Harder. There we go. English. That's correct. Choose the appearance that you want. You want medium, you want large, so you can slide. Yeah, good. So as you can see, choose the appearance that you want. You want medium, you want large, so you can slide. Yeah, good. So now we're gonna go ahead and show this. Now we finally got it updated. Let's go ahead and continue. Gonna need a Face ID. Now it's going to ask it to put that phone over that one, over that little display right there. There it goes. Okay. It's gonna ask her to set up your new phone. Just gonna ask her for her passcode. She's gonna take the phone away for a second. So 1 second. Yes. Setting up. I'm gonna ask a couple of things. Transfer the phone number. She's gonna. It tells her right there. I have to edit this out. Take that. Say yes. Let's transfer the phone number. Transfer number. Confirm transfer. Should use that one. Okay, we're gonna wait till that finishes before we bring the phone back. Make sure we don't show the number. Okay. Now activating the SIM, the eSIM. Data and privacy, so she's gonna hit continue. Then once you get her, now she's gonna take it away, but wants her Face ID. So she's gonna go ahead and do her Face ID. it's transferring data. It's going to the terms and conditions. You got to go ahead and agree to that for her data from the iPhone 14 Pro Max to iPhone. Location services, turn on location services, yes. Alright, now we're back to the next step. So asking for silent mode. She's going to go ahead and select that. So it's right there with an action button. Right there, she can select silent mode. She's going to go ahead and continue that. Camera control. She's going to hit continue. That's now the new. Where's the EOS? SOS? So SOS, yes. Then purchases. Let's get some more information. She's asking for Apple ID. She's going to put Apple ID in now. It's going to take a minute, so we'll go ahead and load the data. We'll zoom in a minute once we get done.